a little rain on my suit. A little bit of angry makes you cute. And we've been watching this show so long, but it feels like everything that we wrote went back into the pen we used.
Hello everyone, hope you're all doing alright. You're welcome back to my channel, and in case you're stopping by for the first time, this is De'Belle Makeovers. Today I want to show you this product. This is what I'll be using for my lips. This is Lipgloss Vegan Lip Beauty. They're a US based brand and they produce cruelty-free vegan lip pencils, lipsticks and lip glosses. They were so kind to send me this, and I would like to show you guys how it looks on my lips. In the package it says Lipgloss Vegan Lip Beauty, and you can find here their social media handles, Lipgloss. Just check for them on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok. The lip liner shade I got is this soft brown in the shade Hot Choco. And I'm going to use it in a bit. And I got their Luxe lip glosses as well. I really like the fragrance of these glosses. Can you see the color? See that sweet girly pink? The name is even Girly Girl. Girly Girl. It smells heavenly. And I have this other one. This one was quite tight in the pack, so I had to tear the pack to bring it out. I really love this because it matches the natural color of my lip, so I think that's what I'm going to use. Anyways, this shade is Venice Beach. That's what we're going to use with the lip liner. I'm going to start with using the Lipgloss lip liner in hot chocolate, I guess, and I'm going to use it to line the edges of my lips. So I'm just going to use it over it to get it like a natural look. I'm going to use it all over my lips. This smells so good. This gloss, you need to try it. Not just the gloss, but all of their lip products. Actually, they are really the truth. And to make it even better, I have a discount code that you can apply when you want to get it. So you're going to get 20% discount off. All you need to do is to apply my discount code at the checkout. The code will be in the description box, and I'll also leave it on the screen here so that you can copy it and use it when you want to shop. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to head over to Lipgloss Vegan Lip Beauty and shop for your lip glosses. I'll see you in my next video very soon. Bye.
And it feels like every time that it comes on, we just roll.